everybody. Alright, hang on 1 second. Oops. I just wanted to hop on here real quick. I know it's kind of late. And share what... Hang on, I'm trying to do 2 things at once and I can't do that anymore. Hang on, I'm trying to share my live with my page. Alright. That doesn't make any sense because I told you to be live. Anyways, alright. Sorry about that. I'll have to fix it later. Okay. So, I wanted to share, I got the latest Hey Sherry Price Club package in the mail yesterday, and so I wanted to share what I got. And if you don't know what it is, every month, well, we started for JewelScent, we started a, excuse me, my nose is itchy, apparently it really thinks there's flowers around me. We started a subscription box, and so every month the theme is another state, United States, obviously. And I say too much, still, always. So when, geez, I did it again. So you get, with the box, every month you get a new map, and it's the same map every time. And I think they send a new one every month, whether or not you've been, no matter how long you've been a subscriber, just in case, because they have them all pre-packaged. But, so, let's see. So obviously, here's the map, and it's got little spaces, and then with the, you get a postcard and a sticker. So this month, this is the sticker. And, cherry blossoms for, where is it? Oh, down here. Wait, where is it? Here. For Maryland. And, the scent, obviously, is Sakura cherry blossoms, which I heard that Sakura, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, means, it either means cherry or it means blossom, so it's just repeating itself. So you get like a little, you get a postcard, but it's not a postcard you can send out, it's a postcard that, it's like they sent it to you. But it's really pretty, and it always says what state it is, and has pictures of either whatever the theme is or something having to do with the state. So the first month that we did this was in March, and the state of it was Hawaii, and then last month for April it was, and the scent for Hawaii was like Island Breeze, something like that. And then last month was Texas, and the scent was a watermelon punch. And so this month for May, it's Maryland, and it's the cherry blossom. So you get, when you sign up for it, so it's a recurring, like I said, a subscription. So when you sign up, you basically automatically get enrolled for every month until you have to go in there and cancel it if you want to cancel it, or if you don't want whatever the next month is or something like that. And then if you wanted the month after, you'd have to re-sign up. So that's, let me see. That's what the looks like. And I don't know if it's backwards or not. I'm sorry if it is. I don't know how to fix that. But there's little cherry blossoms on the thing. And it's a 3-wick candle. And it's a 16-ounce candle. It really reminds me, which I guess it would because that's what it would, but what it's called. But well, it's almost the same name. The Japanese cherry blossom scent from Bath and Body Works. That's what this kind of reminds me of. I mean, they're both cherry blossom, so that's what it reminds me of. And then the candle comes with a ring inside, so I can see it. I can see the foil, this dark spot right here. There's a ring in there. I just have to melt this to get it out. And you can pick what size ring you want. So this is a size 10 for my big chubby fingers. And then you also get two. Woo! You get two of the cherry blossom bath bombs. And they're just kind of like a wavy mix. And they have, you know, obviously the same scent. There's no rings or anything in these. They're 7 ounces each. Let's see. Yeah, they smell really good. What else was I gonna say? Oh, so yeah, so these are 7 ounces. The candle is 16 ounces. 7 ounces is the size of all of our bath bombs that you can purchase on the website. But we don't have, you only can get this scent in this price candle, or prize candle and bath bombs. Excuse me. And if you wanted to get this month's box, you only have until the 10th. The 10th, or until we sell out, but the 10th would be the last day that you can go in and order it, and you would get this box. Oh, and the ring inside is valued at $40, and this costs, for these 3 things, it's $35 plus tax, you know, depending on where your billing is, and then shipping, which is about $10. So it's about $45, but with shipping and tax. But the ring itself is worth $40. So if you think of it that way, you're really only spending about $5 on this stuff. Let me think. Yeah. Oh, and then at the end of the month, everybody that was subscribed and got this box for this month, you get entered to win in the monthly sweepstakes. And so some of the prizes is a drone. I think there's a pair of diamond earrings that could be one. There's a barbecue grill. I think there's like TVs and gaming systems. And it's going to be held, let's scroll down. Oh, 15 days, 11 hours, 31 minutes, and 3 seconds on the, not on my page, but on the main, like, JewelScent Facebook page. They're gonna, there's gonna be a live video, you know, a live, and they're gonna spin to see what the prize is and pull the name and everything. And it's gonna be 10 a.m. Pacific time on my birthday, May 24th. So, let's see. Yeah, and then, if anybody missed my post the other day, a couple days ago, I think it was Sunday. Yeah, it was Sunday night or afternoon that I posted this. If you are local and you need anything for Mother's Day and you haven't been able to find anything at the store that you want to give your mom or the mom figure in your life, or if you still also need something for Teacher Appreciation Week, I have some candles and tarts and bath bombs in stock. And if you go on my page, there's a post that says what all the different products are. The different things I have. I have stuff with and without rings inside. I have one candle that has a pair of earrings in it. And if you want to buy one of the scents that have a ring in it, but it's not your ring size or the ring size of the person you're giving it to, I have... over here, I can't reach them right now. I have some extra rings that are in other sizes. So if you want to take one of those, you can also maybe grab one of those. Let's see. So yeah, if you see the post and there's anything you want, if you just want it for yourself, it doesn't have to be for Mother's Day or whatever. Just send me a message on Facebook, and I can let you know. Make sure it's still available, and we'll figure out a day that you can come over and everything. Cash, PayPal, whatever. Yeah. So I'm trying to decide if I want to bring this or not. I want to see if there is, so I think I am. I'm trying to think of my letters. No. Yes, that's where it is. Alright. So, I will probably post a picture later. Not in the comments. Excuse me. Not in the comments on this, for this video. But just a separate one. I'll probably post pictures as it's melting away. And everything. Alright, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna watch some TV. I am so behind on TV shows. Some TV shows I'm like really caught up, like Grey's Anatomy. And then some I have like 5 or more episodes to watch. Don't talk to me about Supernatural because I haven't watched one in like, I'm like 7 episodes behind or something. Like 8 episodes behind. I don't know. I have no idea what's going on. Yeah. Okay. So, but even with that, I'm about to watch an episode of Deception, which I am 5 episodes behind on that one. So, okay. So I hope everybody has a blah, 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 blah. Sure. I hope everybody has a good Tuesday night, and I will see you later. Bye.